Are you ready to eliminate the EGR system on your 20R or 22R build? Get all the plates you need with this kit. Machined from 6061 T6 aluminum plate, the kit consists of a 3-bolt plate for the cylinder head and a 2-bolt plate for the intake manifold. These block plates were carefully designed to cover the ports left open on the cylinder head after removing the EGR valve and the intake manifold after removing the EGR pipe, all the while retaining your existing gaskets. If your vehicle is equipped with an EGR temp sensor, a 10K ohm quarter watt resistor can be installed into the pigtail to keep your check engine light from being tripped. If needed, we recommend using a thin layer of ultra-grade RTV on the sealing surfaces. Specifically offered for your downdraft carbureted 1975 to 1980 2.2 liter 20R or 1981 to 1995 2.4 liter 22R Toyota 4-cylinder.
By the people specializing in your engine since 1985, LC Engineering Performance Toyota.